we've got a pot of water to boil and we're cracking the eggs into the cups to put in. So now we have put some cups in and we are going to watch them boil over time. So now that they are starting to cook, we are just scraping around the edges so they cook evenly. They are starting to boil now, so just scrape around the edges, and even if you want, you can mix the actual egg. Now most of the eggs are just about finished, so they should be nearly ready for serving. All of them are ready now, so we will get them all out and we will serve them. My egg with little bits of bread inside and mix it all up. And Peppy likes eating it just plain, and so does Antonia.